Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a bank rule in Xero. So let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and open the organization you want to work with. From the dashboard, go to Accounting and select Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see the bank accounts connected to your Xero organization. Choose the bank account where you want to create the rule, then open the Account Transactions or Reconcile section, depending on your Xero layout. Now, find a transaction that you regularly receive or spend money on. Bank rules are useful when you have transactions that follow the same pattern because Xero can automatically suggest or apply the correct details when similar transactions appear. From the transaction, select Create Rule or Create Bank Rule. Give your rule a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose the conditions that Xero should use to recognize this type of transaction. For example, you can set a condition based on the description, payee, reference, or amount. After that, choose what Xero should do when a transaction matches the rule. You can select the appropriate account, add a description, and configure tax or tracking details if required. Take a moment to review the conditions and make sure the rule is specific enough. If the conditions are too broad, Xero could apply the rule to transactions that you didn't intend to categorize. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the bank rule. From now on, when a new bank transaction matches your rule, Xero can automatically suggest the appropriate coding during reconciliation, helping you save time and reduce repetitive manual work. And that's it. That's how you can create a bank rule in Xero. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.